This morning on Sunrise TV program, there was a statement by the chairman of the Academic Staff Union, UNILAG chapter, to the effect that there was proliferation of universities by the government of Delta State, while the government of Delta State is unable to pay salaries of existing universities and other tertiary institutions. It's not in my character to call somebody a liar, but that was a lie, and that was crass mischief. I state categorically, Delta State does not owe workers. I also state categorically that some of the reasons for which the National ASUU goes on serious strikes do not exist in the original Delta State University, Abraka. I also boast that no federal university pays as much as the Delta State University, Abraka pays to lecturers. And I also boast that upon retirement in the Delta State University, Abraka, the staff is automatically placed on his pension scheme. So I wonder where that kind of mischief is coming from. And if it's due to lack of information, I make bold to inform you that you should have gotten that information from the national president of ASUU, who is a Delta. The national president of ASUU, Professor Sodeke, is from Ethiopia East. And Ethiopia East is the home of Delta State University, Abraka. So you should have found out from him whether Delta State government is owing lecturers, is owing staff in the Delta State University, Abraka, or not. We are not owing. And I also want to inform you all that what Delta State University, Abraka, pays them above what they earn in federal universities, and which no other state university pays, is what the staff in these three new universities are already earning. The staff in these three universities are already earning what staff of Delta State University, Abraka, earn. That is higher than what they earn in the University of Lagos. You see, opinion is free, but facts must be sacred. Nobody can say it anywhere in this world that Delta State owes salary.